Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a box opening of a doll I'm very excited about. But believe it or not, she sat here how long, Darren?
Well, it was Thursday when she arrived. So.
We ordered it. We ordered it Tuesday night.
Monday night.
Monday night. That's right. She got here Thursday morning, and this is now Sunday. Darren and I have been so busy. So if I looked a little haggard, the last 12 days have just whoosh, one thing after another. In fact, Darren is standing there sweating from all he's already done this morning outdoors. Can't wait to show you this doll. And I have this little doll standing here to remind you that on the 17th of October, our channel is hosting Tiny Witches. And that is any doll under 10 inches, dressed like a witch, anything. And we will upload those videos at 10 a.m. And then after that,
Central Time.
After that, the week after, on the 24th, we're doing tall witches, anything over 14 inches. What we're skipping are the most popular dolls from 12 inches-ish. And we're bringing out the other dolls, the small and the tall. And then on Halloween, if you would send Darren, and we'll leave his email address in the description, if you'll send him a 15-second clip of your dolls enjoying Halloween. I love these boxes, they're made so well. We're gonna do a Halloween trick-or-treat video on the 31st, and we would like to include your dolls in our video. If you'll send those to Darren, just 15 seconds, no music, no talking, unless you're saying like trick or treat. Don't add your name or anything like that, because Darren's going to make everything, every channel will be highlighted the same. So we look forward to seeing those. We have a few, don't we?
Yeah.
Very cool.
We do.
Thank you for sending those. Okay, I'm very excited about this doll. Let's get to it. I do want to point out, these boxes are top notch. I mean, seriously, I say it every time. I can't say it enough. Don't throw these boxes away. If you have a cat or know of a cat, these make a box they can have for months on end. All right, with every Smart Doll, you get this nice box. People have made couches out of these or use them for, to hold your items for your Smart Dolls. Inside, I'll pull that out in a minute, it is darker than I thought it would be.
Of course.
Is your doll stand, is your telescopic hole in the back stand, love these. Your care sheet, some of these are comical from Danny. And your wig, and then I have something else in here. Let's pull this wig out. These are nice wigs. I'm very pleased with Smart Dolls, in case you can't tell. If you watch my channel, you know that I have fallen in love with these dolls and have bought many. I'm not a big anime person. We don't do cosplay, any of that. But these dolls, I'm a doll collector, and these are just top-notch dolls. They're gorgeous. Okay, here's the wig, and I got the coffee Divergence. And I have my Coco here with her latte, Darren called this, that he 3D printed. We tried to buy the closest thing to Coco for the Three Eyes and Headlights collab that we just did on our channel. There were 5 channels. If you haven't seen that, they're amazing. We did face-ups and made outfits, and very, very fun. Okay. And then we have, and this is our first peek at the color, then we have coffee. It's not what I thought it would be.
It's
not bad. It's
No,
not bad at all. I'm just saying. Okay, I left her out so
it's like
we
milk
could,
chocolate or a little bit lighter.
yeah, so we could compare it to Coco.
Yeah, we're gonna have, that's too shaded there, babe.
Okay, we'll have to get the light on it. Okay, we went and got the lights. This is the coffee next to the Coco. I thought it would be lighter. Let's look at it next to the latte again. Very different. I like the latte because it has more red undertones. I thought this had more red undertone. Not that I don't like it. Don't misunderstand. It's, like you said, it's like a Hershey bar.
Yeah.
It really is. I mean, it's different, but it's a lot like a Hershey bar. Okay, let's pull out my doll.
He still has room for another tone between that and cinnamon, or tea, I should say.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It is so hard to tell the colors. And we are not...
In the bright light here, it's pretty light. So
Let me get her out. Oh, I love this Oh, I was going to get the black navy. I'm going to bring her out and show the difference in how they look. Oh, I love these Smart Dolls. If you've never seen one, I don't know if you could, let's listen to the click. That is your confidence click. It's like the old Barbie knees. I love that. You know that your joints are put in correctly. They have so much movement. You can really do a lot with these dolls. They can ride a horse. I love that. It's important at my house. These dolls are a frame, but there's a skeleton frame with the vinyl over it. And they are very well made. I love them. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Deron bought we got the option. Actually, it wasn't an option. Right. It came with. Yeah, these came with the push-up. What do you think? Put it on?
I think so, yeah.
All right, let's do that. This is the coolest thing about these Smart Dolls. You pull them apart to dress them. I know you do that with 1/3 BJDs that are strung. That's a lot different, a lot harder, and a lot of people get bit doing that. Okay, and then this slides up. There's the frame. Love it. You just put this right down on there. Put the arms back in the correct side. Oops, I don't have it on all the way. There we go. Make sure your right hand goes on the right side. Okay. There's the click. That's your confidence click. You know that your doll is connected correctly. Here. Love it. Love, 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 love it. Oh, I like her. Let's put her wig on. I got so excited about my doll, I forgot to show you these nice tote bags. This comes with every Smart Doll from Culture Japan. This is not just a tote bag. This is so well made. Everything is so well finished and nice. And not only can you carry your Smart Doll with this, if you chose not to do that, you could use this for groceries or shopping, or you can make a craft out of this. I've made purses, and I'm working on it. Well, I'm not working on it. I've got the stuff together to do another craft with my beautiful tote bag. I got out my girls, and this is a tone that Deron had bought. I'm betting it's close to milk. Now, I don't have a milk doll. I missed out. I should have bought it. Deron told me to buy it. I didn't. And then this, of course, is cinnamon. And then we have the tea, coffee, cocoa, black navy, blue. There's a name for that blue. Do you remember it?
It's like Jupiter blue or something. I don't remember.
No, that's not it. Anyway, the blue. And then I have the latte color that Deron bought to make heads using the model, which is the pattern, from Danny's site for the prophecy heads. Again, if you haven't seen our videos where we do the face-ups and everything, and they also have the headlights. I love this girl. I want to pull her forward. I thought about not getting her because I already had a Divergence. Look at the difference. I mean, at a glance, you would not know that was the same doll. So they wear their makeup alike, blue eyes as opposed to brown. The gold catches your eye. They're different enough that I am thrilled. Besides that, I already have 2 Transcendents and I'm looking at a 3rd. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I am thrilled if you are thinking about a coffee. They are absolutely gorgeous. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.